Do you want to know how to make an easy chicken teriyaki? Well, first, go to your fridge, grab a bottle of teriyaki sauce, and then throw that crap away because we're gonna make our sauce from scratch. Let's go. First, we're gonna need a bunch of not naked deboned chicken thighs. If you're more of a chicken booby person, then by all means go for it. I ain't gonna judge ya.
I'm so gonna judge you.
Salt and pepper your chickies and place them skin side down on a pan set to medium high. If you dislike getting first degree burns on your fingies, you can get some tin foil to use as a makeshift splatter screen. This will shorten the overall cooking time and it won't steam your chicken, which will result in sadness and despair. After 8 minutes, flip it over, rejoice at the glorious crispy skin, and cover it again for another 8 minutes to fully cook through. Once you wasted another 8 minutes of your life that you'll never get back, take out the chicken and let it rest on the side while you make the teriyaki sauce. Rummage through an Asian grandma's pantry and steal some soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of each of the liquids into a bowl. Mix it all together and you've just made the easiest teriyaki marinade. Clean and drain your filthy ass pan of all the chicken particles and heat it to medium high again. Place your bird thighs skin side down to really get that extra crisp for about a minute. Then, judo flip it over and pour over your homebrew teriyaki concoction into the pan. Once all the alcohol is evaporated into the ozone layer, tilt your pan a little bit and spoon over that reduced sauce over your chicken thighs to give it that nice glaze. Finally, take the chicken off the pan and you're officially done with your chicken teriyaki. If you're impatient as fuck, you can eat it right now like the savage you are. Or, you can be slightly fancy by cutting your chicken into even slices and placing it over some white rice and random green stuff from your fridge. Also, don't forget to spoon over some extra good over your chicken and rice. And there you go. A chicken teriyaki that's easy to make, fills your tum-tum, and brings honor to your family name. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to The Cooking Boy for more slightly amusing cooking content.